I'm working on here today is a Moen Shower here. This one happens to be for a pool area and it is leaking. We're going to go ahead and replace the cartridge in there. Prior to doing any work on here, you're going to need to shut the water off by your water meter or your water shut off by your pump to make sure that there's no water pressure in here. Open up a faucet and relieve the pressure. First thing you're going to need to do is pop this little cover off here, and there is a number 2 Phillips screw. We'll go ahead and remove this. Now with that screw removed, we simply just pull this off, and you can leave your escutcheon plate on there. We'll just go ahead and pull this chrome piece off here. Sometimes you may need a little pliers to grab a hold of it and pull it out. Next, there is this clip here. I'll try to zoom in and get that. If you live in an area where there's a lot of minerals in the water, you're going to have a hard time extracting this cartridge here. So what I'm going to use is a core puller, and it has a screw that will screw into here, and then you keep tightening this down, it will pull the cartridge out. So first thing we're going to do is loosen this screw up. These 2 slots line up with the slots on each side of this, and we're going to go ahead and put that on there. Unfortunately, the screw that they gave me wasn't long enough, so I had to recess that out a little bit. Now that this gets snugged up on there, we'll go ahead and tighten this up. Okay, it's just about all the way tight up there, so we'll go ahead and turn it a little bit and then give it a pull. Next, what I'm going to do is take a brass brush, stick it in here, and clean out any of the hard water deposits, and then we'll put our new cartridge in. So this is a Moen 1225 cartridge, and we'll go ahead and put that in. Okay, we have our new cartridge here. There is a hole that goes down, and you can see that these 2 tabs correspond with this installation removal tool. So what we'll do, it is pre-lubricated, but we're going to add a little bit of plumber's grease here just so it slides in a little bit better. So this little tool will stick on there, and we'll push that in the rest of the way. Now we'll take our little clip here, put a little valve grease on it, and we'll slide that in there. If it doesn't go in all the way, put your little tool on here and rock it back and forth, and that should come down. Now that it's fully seated there, you can take and discard this tool, and we'll take our chrome piece and put that on there. Okay, put our handle on there and put our screw in. With our screw snugged up, we'll go ahead and put this on here, and we can go and turn the water back on.